Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the shop. Today's project is going to be a little snowblower. It's a Snapper 6-horse, 22-inch. It's got a Tecumseh motor on it. It was just dropped off here at the shop. The guy just gave it to me. I did start it up, so it does run, but it's got a few problems. So we'll walk around and see what we need to do to get this thing going and bring you along. Okay, this is it. Snapper 622. It doesn't look like it's had much use. Paint's still on the augers. I did notice that, I don't know if you can see down in here, that this fin on the second stage is bent. So we'll probably take the second stage out. The skids still look pretty good. The tires are kind of weather checked, but they have tubes in them. He said there was something wrong with the drive, so we'll tear into the transmission. Just kind of a nice, smallish snowblower. Got some wiring issues here. I noticed the electric start is missing a screw. Like I say, it did start on the first pull, really. I mean, it was amazing. Looks like the augers, the chutes come around and hit the exhaust. So it's not too bad. I did notice the handle here. It's got a loose bolt on it, so it's kind of wobbly. But other than that, looks like it might have had a recoil redone on it. It looks like it's got a sheet metal screw in it right there, or not sheet metal, but a drywall screw. So we'll just kind of go through it and get it going again. So we'll bring you along. All right, let's get them wheels off the ground. So we'll go ahead and rock this forward. Okay. Okay, see what's going on. Got a little hairpin clip here. And a pin. Let's see, I need a pan here to put stuff in. It looks like the valve stem's sucked inside, so we'll get that other side off. All right, we'll go ahead and get this shroud off from around the carburetor and see what's going on with this wiring. Just got a couple of screws here. I think it just goes to the key because the shut off for on the throttle still works. Kind of windy today, so you might hear the wind blowing a little bit. There's the heater fan. So that'll be kicking on and off. put a little something on that, give that some. Yeah, I think it's just unplugged. Yeah. That's all it is unplugged. Got a little bend in it here, so we'll just flatten that out some. Give that a try, see if it's just that key. Let's see, give her some priming here. Choke. That starts good. But that little safety on the key ain't working. So we'll check that little switch out. All right. Let's pull this cover off. Take a look at the belts. Hoses all look good. Must be an older blower because it's got a metal cover over the belts. The engine, not sure how to read these Tecumseh model numbers, but the second number starts with 76, so I don't know if that's a 1976. If anybody knows, put her in the comments. Looks like it's built really good. It says electric start convertible on it, so I don't know if they've added the electric start. you know, if that was an add-on that you, or an option that you had to buy with it, or whether it just come with it. Yeah. Looks really good. There's hardly any debris in there. The belts look like they're almost new. A little bit of gas left in it.